Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the Honda brake hold system, what it is, and how to use it. So first off, what is the brake hold system? The brake hold system allows you to take your foot off of the brake pedal when you come to a complete stop, at say a stoplight, or if you're in stop and go traffic, in rush hour, or maybe you're in a lineup for a toll booth, that sort of thing. So it's just really convenient and it allows you to relax your leg a little bit. This isn't even a very busy day and you don't realize how often you're stopping and going in traffic like this. So let's take a closer look at how to use the system. So let's go ahead and find the brake hold button in the center console. This is a 2016 Honda Civic EX, but if you're driving in Accord, it might be slightly different. So give that a push. And oops, we forgot to put on our seatbelt. So safety is very important for Honda, so make sure you have your seatbelt done up before you do this. So let's click that into place. Once you've got that in, we can try this again. So give that brake hold button another push. And it's going to put your brake hold system into standby. So it's going to pop up in the center of your dashboard, as well as on the right hand side you're going to see a brake hold button, a small little green one there. So once you come to a complete stop at a stoplight, for instance, you can take a look at your dash, and what's going to happen is there's going to be a green circle with an A inside it that's going to turn green. This means that the brake hold system has initiated. It allows you to take your foot off of the brake and your car will stay in position without holding your foot on the brake pedal. So once your light turns green and you're ready to drive again, you can go ahead and put your foot right onto the gas pedal. No need to touch the brake at all. Once you start pushing on that, the A with the circle around it, the green light, is going to go out to show you that the brake hold has disengaged. And you can begin driving as usual. The brake hold system will stay in standby until you reach the next light or line up or the next time you stop, so just keep that in mind. So once you come to a complete stop at the next intersection, the brake hold system will automatically engage for you. To ensure this has happened, the A with the circle around it, that green light, is going to light up. Once that's lit up, you can take your foot right off of the brake and the vehicle will hold still for you. So when you're learning to use the brake hold system, I highly recommend finding a safe place to practice, maybe an empty parking lot, something along that lines. I hope this video helped you out and taught you something about your Honda. Please remember to like and subscribe for future upcoming videos. Thanks again so much for watching. Take care.